So let's see in practice how they look. Firstly, we look at ChatGPT. When you go to this address, you will see almost this kind of interface. Here you can attach files, search, and so on. For our purpose, we will log in based on your login credentials. So firstly, you see this kind of interface. Here you can see chat place where you can give your prompts. Here as few tools, for example, create image, search web, and write code, and so on. If you want to research something, then you go to the deep research. But for our example, we give only the simple tasks. So here upstairs we have your plan, settings, and so on. Here up top and left you have the model. By this stage we have model 4.0 and advanced model 4.5. Usually I use the 4.0 model. Here on the left you have additional toolbar where you can get your projects. For example, you can start new chat. For example, if you do some task and you want to do another task, it's probably useful to add new task and new chat. You can search your chats. You can look at the libraries. Libraries is what have you created. Here is codex, and so on and so on. Let's take the first chat, and here we can just write something, and we'll see how AI interacts with us. The second place is NotebookLM. If you just search it, you can find on your web. Here we can just try NotebookLM, and as the first login, you see almost this kind of page. Here at the bottom you have a button for create new notebook, and when you create notebook you get prompted for add sources. For example, we don't have any sources, but we want to discover them. So here upright it's discover sources, and here we can write some kind of topic. For example, so I write weather patterns in summer in Estonia, and I write submit. Now NotebookLM look through the internet and the databases and give me some sources. And here we can add some kind of sources. We can additionally look at them in the different window, and we can here check what we want to add. For now I pushed escape, so I can show you other interfaces. So we were here on this window, and here we have upload sources. Here you can upload your PDFs, your articles, your planning, and so on. Just drag and drop or choose files. On the bottom left there's a Google Drive integration. It means you can add Google Docs from your Google Drive, and it connects your Google Drive to the Google Docs. Similarly, Google Slides, and links to the websites and even YouTube videos. And here, if you have just a text, you can just paste text here. The middle window is a chat window. Here, as you see, because we don't have any sources, it's non-usable. On the right side, there are overview, deep conversation with AI. Here in the settings, you can put output language and change it based on your needs. For simplicity, we'll keep it in English so everything can be understandable. Here on the right side, you also have notes, study guides, and briefing docs, and so on and so on. The third tool is Copilot with the Microsoft. Similarly with the chat, you have to sign in, and here you have similar interface. In the middle you have chat window. Here you can choose quick response or deep thinking, depends on your task. Here you can upload files and add new chat. Here on the left with the additional button, you can see sidebar where you will see the your previous chats. So let's say hello, and here you have options to additional questions or tasks for chat.